วัสดีครับสมัครสมัยชิงช่องยูทูบของฉันขอบคุณครับสวยจริงๆสวยมากๆHi guys, welcome back our L3 Toy channel. Today I will extreme test on the MJS B12 EIS. So let's go. Very good budget drone. After all the tests, still can fly. Many people to ask, where can buy? Buy from where? Can ship to my country? Can be COD or not? But now, don't worry! Take out your phone now and find the link on our video below description. Click on it. It will show you the drone. Tap the buy now and select your variation. After select the variation, insert your shipping address. There are many payment methods here, included the cash on delivery. If you have the coupon code, please insert the coupon code to get more discount. Last, place your order. No matter where you are, USA, Italy, France, India, Germany, Malaysia, Singapore, Vietnam, Indonesia, Philippines, Japan, Korea or Thailand, anywhere, it can be shipped to entire world on the Banggood. สวัสดีค่ะ